Hi, welcome back to our channel NewLook. Today I am here to show you a very natural remedy, miracle, which gives a miracle results for your straight hair. Straight, shiny and smooth hair has always been a trend as it looks good on any face type. Also, straight hair can be on free flowing or styled in numerous ways. People who are not blessed with naturally straight hair often turn to use chemical treatments to get rid of these unruly waves and curls. Many beauty salons offer hair straightening services with immediate results. But finally, it only looks last for a limited time. But after 1 year, it starts showing the side effects of your skin by using these harmful chemicals on your hair and heated tools for heating treatment. This can include dry hair and scalp also loses the hair. For this hair straightening serum, you require a curd, any type of hair oil and a few drops of almond oil as well as aloe vera gel. Now getting into the process, take a bowl, add 2 spoons of curd. Take this curd as per the length of your hair. A tablespoon of coconut oil. A tablespoon of almond oil. One full tablespoon of aloe vera gel. This is a miracle serum which really helps to your shiny hair straightening. Here we are using the curd, which is a perfect tonic for improving the quality of hair. Also, this yogurt is rich in vitamin B5 and proteins that are beneficial for hair. The protein content in the curd helps to moisturize hair and get rid of dandruff. See, after mixing well, apply this serum onto your hair. Take into both of hands, rub thoroughly and apply it to the hair. In general, my hair is too curly. This is the second time I'm applying this on my hair. Now I can observe the straight hair little bit. If you do 4 times in a month, you will get permanent straight hair within 6 months. Do try this at your home. Also, if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Share with your friends, subscribe to our channel NewLook.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.